Hi everyone, this is the Nordic Venture Show, your guide to the exciting world of Nordic startups and venture capital. In today's episode, we're exploring a startup called Infinna Fiber.
All right, everybody, welcome back. We are about to take another deep dive today.
Yeah.
And this time, we're going to be talking about textiles.
Ooh, textiles.
And circularity.
Very good topic.
We're going to be talking about a company called Infinna Fiber, and they're doing some pretty cool stuff with turning textile waste into brand new fiber.
So you're saying, we could be wearing clothes made out of...
Like, you could be wearing clothes made out of clothes.
Like my old T-shirt.
Yeah, your old T-shirt could become a new T-shirt.
Whoa.
And they're doing it, at a really high quality.
Wow.
So
no downgrading.
Yeah, no downgrading.
You're not, wearing something that feels like it's made out of...
Right.
Recycled material.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's like brand new high-quality fiber, and it's all coming from textile waste.
So they're helping to solve the problem of...
Absolutely.
All the textile waste.
We were on the front lines of tackling that huge issue of textile waste, and we all know how big of a problem that is with fast fashion and everything.
Right.
And, they're offering a real solution that could make the industry so much more sustainable.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So to learn all about this,
we
went straight to the source, to Infinna Fiber's own website.
Got it.
And we are going to kind of break down how they're doing this incredible thing.
Okay, I'm ready.
So their secret sauce is this thing called Infinna. Infinna. Have you heard of this?
I have not heard of Infinna.
Okay, so tell me.
Tell me more.
If you had to explain, how they actually take textile waste and turn it into something you'd want to wear again, how would you describe that process?
Okay, so imagine they can take, old cotton fibers.
Like from my old jeans.
Yeah, exactly. Like your old jeans that are, worn out and you're about to throw them away.
Yeah.
They can take those fibers and break them down and reconstruct them into a completely new fiber called Infinna.
So it's not just
It's not just recycling. It's like creating something.
Yeah, they're making something totally new.
Brand new.
That's amazing.
I know. And the best part is the final product.
Yeah.
This Infinna fiber, it feels just like regular cotton. It's soft, it's comfortable.
So you wouldn't even know.
You wouldn't even know.
That it was made from
Like old clothes.
Yeah, old clothes.
Uh-huh.
That's wild.
It is pretty wild.
So it's not just about recycling, right?
Right.
It's about creating something that's actually desirable.
Exactly.
Something that's high quality that people actually want to wear.
Right.
And they're not just saying this themselves, they have some pretty big names backing them up.
I really?
Yeah, on their website, they have this quote from Patagonia's lid material developer.
Patagonia?
Yeah, and they say that Infinna feels just like virgin materials.
Wow.
Which is huge coming from Patagonia because
they're all about...
they're like the gold standard for sustainability.
Exactly.
So if they're saying it's good, then it must be really good.
Yeah, that's a big stamp of approval.
Right, and it's not just a one-off thing either. Other brands are starting to use Infinna too.
Oh, really? Like who?
Well, they mentioned on their website that JACK Jones has already released a second product using Infinna.
A second product?
Yeah. So it's they tried it once, they liked it, and now they're doing it again.
So it's not just a gimmick?
No, it seems like it's really catching on.
Yeah, it's becoming more mainstream.
And it shows that brands are starting to take this idea of using recycled materials seriously.
Right. They're not just paying lip service to sustainability anymore.
Exactly. They're actually putting their money where their mouth is.
That's really encouraging.
It is really encouraging. And you know what's even more exciting?
What's that?
They're not just stopping at clothes.
I know, right?
So there's more.
There's more.
What else could they possibly do?
Well, on their website, they talk about their presence at this event called Index 20.
Index 20.
Yeah, and it's this big event for non-wovens.
Non-woven?
Yeah, non-wovens.
I'm not really sure what that is. So non-wovens are basically fabrics that aren't woven or knitted.
Okay.
So think about things like diapers, wipes, filters in your coffee machine.
Oh,
all sorts of stuff like that is made from non-woven fabric.
I see.
And so Infinna Fiber is basically exploring how Infinna can be used to make these everyday items more sustainable as well.
So it's not just about clothes?
No, it's they're branching out.
Wow.
Into all these different areas.
That's really impressive.
Yeah, it is. It's they're really pushing the boundaries of what's possible with textile waste.
So it's almost like they're creating a whole new category
Oh, I think they are.
of materials.
Yeah, and they're changing the way we think about how we use and reuse resources.
That's a big deal.
It is a big deal, and it's a perfect example of the circular economy in action.
Right.
They're taking something that we used to just throw away,
Yeah.
and they're turning it into something valuable.
And useful.
Yeah, and it's not just about reducing environmental impact.
Right.
It's about, like, completely reimagining the life cycle of a product.
Totally. Yeah, like closing the loop.
Exactly.
Instead of just having a linear...
Yeah, from cradle to grave.
Yeah.
It's now cradle to cradle.
I love that.
Me too. It's very inspiring to see this kind of innovation happening,
It really is.
especially in an industry like fashion, which is,
Not always been the most sustainable.
not always been the most sustainable. No.
So it gives me hope.
Me too, me too. And it makes me think, like, what other kinds of waste could we be transforming into valuable resources?
Yeah.
Like, what if we could do this with plastic waste or food waste?
That would be amazing.
It would be amazing. The possibilities are endless.
Yeah. This is just like the tip of the iceberg.
It is. It's like a glimpse into the future of sustainable manufacturing and consumption.
And it all starts with this one company.
I know. It's pretty remarkable.
It is.
Well, this deep dive has definitely given me a lot to think about.
Me too.
And I hope it's done the same for you listening out there.
Yeah.
If you want to learn more about Infinite Fiber and all the cool stuff they're doing,
Yeah.
you can check out their website.
Definitely do that.
Yeah. And who knows, maybe your next t-shirt will be made from someone else's old jeans.
That's a cool thought.
It is a cool thought.
Thanks for taking this deep dive with us.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us.
Until next time.
See.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for listening to the Nordic Venture Show. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more stories of innovation from the Nordics.